So I had a question today from a customer and a YouTube viewer that came into my showroom about the holes on the top of the stove, and like they just are mind blown and can't believe that smoke does not come out the hole. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. My pellet box, I just loaded it, and so it's smoking because I'm waiting for these pellets to ignite from the coals that were left on the bottom of the box. Anyway, you can clearly see that it is smoking, but however, let's say, there's absolutely no smoke coming out this hole. And that is because of the combustion airflows, okay? The stove is burning wide open. It's been burning hot. Inside the box is hot, so we have a nice draft going up our chimney. And yeah, that's that. So even if the stove is smoking on the interior of the firebox, when you have a nice clean burning stove like a Rizzoli or also like a Nordica that burns hot, you're not going to have any smoke actually coming out your top rings. I mean, you can see on this particular stove there is various holes in the top and no smoke coming out.